तो अर्शपीर और अरवीर के बर्थडे के लिए हमने गुरुद्वारे में लंगर करवाया था। अर्शपीर का बर्थडे जुलाई में आता है और अरवीर का सितंबर में। तो अगस्त में हमने गुरुद्वारे में लंगर करवाया था दोनों बच्चों के बर्थडे का। और यहाँ हम गुरुद्वारे पहुँच चुके हैं। खाना, स्नैक्स, एवरीथिंग इज़ रेडी। और बहुत जल्दी संगत आएगी गुरुद्वारे में और लंगर होगा हमारी तरफ से। सो ये बर्थडे व्लॉग मैं गुरुद्वारे की क्लिपिंग के साथ शुरू कर रही हूँ। So my Arveer, today is the last day when you are 6 years old. I will ask you a few questions, okay? Because from tomorrow you will be a 7-year-old boy, then things will change. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so who do you love the most?
My whole family.
Okay, last year it was mama, now it's the whole family. Okay, how much do you love your mom?
Full because you're in my family.
Full? What is full?
The most because you're in my family.
Okay, and do you like going to your school?
Yes.
Okay.
I have friends now.
You have friends now? Okay. And are you excited for your friends to come tomorrow to school?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, tomorrow to home? Tomorrow to your home?
Few.
Are you, yeah, a few of your friends. Are you happy about it?
Yeah.
Okay, are you excited about your birthday?
Yes.
What are your special plans? First, though, you will get a haircut. Come here.
Play video games all day.
What about the games? You are not excited to play games that we kept?
And to play new games with the Magic 8 Ball.
Okay, and what about playing the Shark Tank games that we planned? Sorry, not Shark Tank, Shark Bite games. Come here. Arveer, tell me one thing. So now this year you lost 2 tooth. अब आपको क्या करना है 7th year में better than what you did in the 6th year?
Like what do you mean?
Like पढ़ाई में आपको अच्छा करना है, कोई नया sport सीखना है? Like what sport do you want to learn?
I want to keep practicing soccer.
Okay, and what about taekwondo?
No!
Okay, that's fine. Fair enough. What about chess?
No, I suck at that.
No, you don't suck.
I only beat Bia 3 times.
But that's not bad for your age. Okay,
I never said shit that time.
that's okay. So tell me one more thing, Arveer. So do you love your mom the most?
Yes.
I won't tell Papa. I won't tell Papa. Just
Yes, because you're in my family.
tell. You're changing, Arveer. You're changing the love story. Okay, tell me now what. So it's almost going to be 12 and this is the decoration so far. Work is in progress. Arveer, we are really enjoying decorating for your birthday, beta. Happy birthday,
Arveer.
It's 12 o'clock. You're sleeping. Papa, Mama and Bhaiya are awake and we are decorating for your birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Yay!
Ashpir, come here. Do you want to give your birthday wishes for Arveer? Say happy birthday, Arveer.
He's not even here right now.
That's okay. Just say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear.
It's 12 o'clock.
Is it?
Yep, exact 12 too. So say happy birthday, Arveer.
Happy birthday, Arveer. You know he's not awake.
And you want to say something for your brother, like you love him or he's your best friend or something.
He's easy to be in Beyblade. Happy birthday, Arveer. I cannot believe you're 7. Bye bye.
Okay, so almost all the decorations done. Just the pinata is left. We have to fill candies. These are the games. So basically these 3 are the games. बाकी गेम्स भी हम प्ले करवाएंगे, बट दीज 3 आर द गेम्स रिलेटेड टू द थीम. This is the yard sign that will go up in the porch or in the front yard tomorrow morning. And other than that, this is how it looks. So entryway पे वो सुबह जाएगा. Ocean और shark bite theme है, so it's everything is blue and yellow. That's his birthday wall, जहाँ पे अरवीर की पिक्चर्स क्लिक करेंगे उसके फ्रेंड्स के साथ. And it's shark bite, so it's sharks. Yep. So that's the decoration so far. Arshbir, I want to thank you so much for being an awesome big brother and helping us decorate and being such a good boy. Thank you. Good boy, come soon. Come. Happy birthday! See the gift spray. How's the decoration first? Okay, so time for the birthday party. It's 12:45. Kids are about to come and Arveer is very happy, very excited. Buddy is very happy, very excited. Mom's all ready. This is our decoration. That's the backdrop for Arveer's birthday. And there is Buddy. Guys, what are you playing? You're talking, catching up?
Trillion? I don't think there are trillion. And here's a shirt.
Come on, jump.
Ashwin, Riday, Anu, Vishank, Neelav, Bob.
That's Arveer. Okay. Shaurya.
Ayan, Adyan.
And what's your name, boy? Arshdeep. Princess Ayoni. Okay, so we are starting the shark game first. So kids, are you ready for the game?
Yes. That's
Okay.
the shark game too.
Yes, all of these are shark games.
No, don't.
This one fly, beta, don't worry. Okay, guys. So I will put this on you. Okay, everybody will come by turn. What you have to do is you have to put the shark teeth. You have to think that where is the shark teeth. Okay, and you have to just put it with blindfolds.
It's like pin it down.
Yeah, just stick it with closed eyes, and whoever sticks it in the best place
How can we stick it?
wins.
There might be something to stick it.
Yeah, I'll give you. Okay, ready?
Forward.
Go, Arveer.
Don't put your head up. Do what? Go down. No, you can't tell him.
My dude. Good. Yeah, keep your head down and go.
Keep your head down, you're cheating. Yeah, you did.
Nata. Okay, Aviral, go. You go.
Piece of candy.
Okay, everybody, did you stuff your pockets with candy? Who got the most candy?
No, me, I didn't get any.
Okay, there are kids
Someone opened it and put it on.
searching for more candies. Aviral, you stuffed your pockets with candies? Make sure you all have candies in your pockets.
Guys, pass it to me, guys. Guys, pass it to me. No, you're dumb.
What's happening? Okay, voting for movie because they don't want to play the last game. They all want to watch movie or play Xbox. So we said, okay, let's watch movie. And now we are voting to see which movie. Okay, we are going to cut the cake now.
Imagine the candle for a
Okay, so we have a surprise for the birthday boy. Friends, are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Arveer! Okay, so party over. Arveer के सब friends चले गए. Look at his smile. Mission successful. Arveer, did you have a good birthday?
Yes.
How old are you?
7.
And how old is Mama? 16, right? Just a few
35.
years. Just a few years older.
35.
No, can I be 7?
No.
Can you and me be same age?
No.
Please.
No.
Okay, but did you have a good birthday?
Yes.
Okay, can you give me a huggy?
Thank you.
Have a good year ahead. May God bless you with all the happiness. मेरा बेटा बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई करे और बहुत अच्छी हेल्थ रहे and खूब हैप्पी रहे और खूब प्ले करे, खूब सारे फ्रेंड्स बनाए. ओके?
Hope you had a wonderful day today. You enjoyed your day. Had a awesome day with your friends. बहुत सारा enjoy किया. Now we are waiting for the next year celebration with you. Till then, keep rocking.
हेलो अरवीर कैसे हो बेटा? वी आर एंजॉयिंग गोइंग टू एंजॉय योर बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Hello, Arveer. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations and celebrations on your happy birthday.
हेलो अरवीर, हैप्पी बर्थडे मेरा छोटा सा प्यारा सा बेटा. एंजॉय योर डे. विश यू हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी लाइफ.
Hello Arveer, happy birthday to you baby. God bless you. Lots and lots of love from Bua. Mwah.
Hello, Arveer. I wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you have a great day.
Beta, God bless you.
Happy birthday, brother.
Happy birthday मेरा बेटा. God bless you. Love you.
Love you too.
Kichi.